Hey guys, so today we are going to basically just show you how to cut a nice fringe ring in this wig. So this wig is a long bob wig that I highlighted, and I am going to actually dye it again, but that'll be a part 2. But just going to show you this quick way how you can do a fringe. Alright, so first what you're going to do is you want to take a rat tail comb and you want to part out, if you can see, you want to part it in like kind of a shape, okay? There we go, like an A shape. And just lightly cut. And this is not, I'm not a professional, okay? I'm not a cosmetologist. So, I just want y'all to see, which this is probably not the best angle. Hey guys, alright, so we are going to basically bleach this whole wig. We're pretty much like up to here. Make it blonde. Oh, hi, pardon me. This is my bleaching outfit, so I might as well wear what I'm going to wear. And stay tuned. We are going to use Blonde Me so we can get the highest lift we possibly can. Alright? Alright, so I just wrapped it up in aluminum foil, and I'm going to let that sit there for about 20 minutes, and let's see what happens. Alright, my battery died, or my car got full, so I don't know where I left off. But I was just telling you that this blonde came out really nice, because as you can see, there's like different dimensions of blonde. It gets a little gradient from here, which the fading was really, really good. So I like that. It's not any sharp lines. Got some in the bang, in my fringe, and if you can see, you got some honey blondes, you got some regular blondes, you got some number 9s, number 8s, some 7s. I like it. Alright, so we put some BioSilk on it, and we are going to press it out. Stay tuned.